Hi, kids. Welcome back to Scratch Programming for Kids. Today we are going to make a super fun project, a math quiz game using operator blocks. Our cat sprite will ask math questions and check if your answer is correct. Let's start. Step 1. Start the program. From the Events category, drag. When green flag clicked, this block will start our quiz when we click the green flag. Step 2. Ask a math question. From the Sensing category, drag. Ask. What is 2 plus 3? And wait. The cat will ask the player a math question and wait for the answer. Step 3. Check the answer with operators. From the Control category, drag. If less than, greater than, then, else. From operators, drag equals block. From Sensing, drag answer. Now, put the answer on the left side of the equal block and type 5 on the right side. Place this inside the if block. Now the cat can check if your answer equals 5. Step 4. Give feedback. From the Looks category, drag 2 blocks. Inside if, add say, you are right, for 2 seconds. Inside else, add say, oops, try again, for 2 seconds. This way the cat responds differently depending on your answer. Step 5. Make random questions. Fun part. Replace 2 plus 3 with random numbers. From operators, drag pick random 1 to 10 twice. Use join left bracket. Make your question look nice. Ask, join, pick random 1 to 10. Join, plus, pick random 1 to 10, and wait. Now every time you play, you'll get a new math question. Step 6. Calculate correct answer. From operators, use the plus block. Put your random numbers inside it, like this. Set correct answer 2. Pick random 1 to 10, plus. Pick random 1 to 10. This calculates the correct answer automatically. Step 7. Compare player answer. Use if Inside if, say, correct, for 2 seconds. Inside else, say wrong. The answer was correct answer. For 2 seconds. Now our game is smart. It checks answers and even tells the correct one. Step 8. Add logic operators. Add a challenge question. If answer greater than 10 and answer less than 20, then say, nice, you're close. These logic blocks and or not make your program smarter. Step 9. Add a score. From variables, create score. Use operator score +1 each time player is right. This will keep track of how many correct answers you got. Step 10. End message. After a few questions, add, say, game over. Your score is score. for 3 seconds. Yay! You've just made a Scratch quiz game using operator blocks. Closing. Wasn't that fun? You used operators to make your cat ask, calculate, and think. Try adding subtraction, multiplication, or random challenges next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share